guys. Holy smokes.
Okay, pull that up here. All right. So you can see the difference between brood. That's all brood down there. That's all brood. That's honey. And that's a normal pattern where they put the honey around the edge and they put the brood in the center. Flip it over carefully, slowly. Yep. Yep. And there's a little brood there, and there's eggs. You can look down in those holes and you can see the larvae down in there that they have not capped yet.
Oh my gosh.
Okay?
Yeah.
So she's doing good. She's doing really good.
That's awesome.
There is no resource that we can take from this one. Go ahead and carefully put that back in.
Okay.
And get the next frame over.
Guys. I'm gonna squish them.
Yes, so that you just drop them in there carefully.
Sorry, guys.
Right. Now you can stick the yeah. You can stick the hive tool in here and then just open that. Just pull it towards you. Stick it down in there. Yeah, you see what you're doing there?
Yep.
Okay?
Just separates the hives a little bit.
And sometimes they can be seriously glued. They can be seriously glued together.
Okay.
Right?
Are we checking this one out?
Yep.
This one.
Flip your hive tool over. Yep. Use that edge. Stick it in there. Stick it in there. Just pull it down. Lever it up. You can't be afraid of it. Lever it up.
Injuring the honeycombs?
Yep, you're fine.
Oh, okay.
Because they'll just
That's
fix
just
it.
A part of it.
Yeah, it's just part of it, and they will fix it.
Hey guys. Nice little creatures.
Yes. So you'll notice that one has a little more honey on it and less brood in the center. Go ahead and flip it over and take a look and see what that looks like. This is a healthy queen, and she's doing all the right things.
Look at that bottom.
They've grown it into the to the thing below them. Okay, so we're not going to make them angry. We're going to put this back together and pull this second to the last frame out.
Okay.
We're almost done looking in this hive. She's a good queen. She's doing everything we want her to do, and she's got lots of brood, but there's not enough resource in this hive, in my opinion, for them to get through the winter. So I will have to augment them with honey.
Gotcha.
Because she's going into the winter. She's going to be going into the winter with a lot of fresh brood, because those capped ones won't hatch for a few days, 10 days or so. Yes, and it is okay to harm the honey there. Okay. Okay, flip it over. Do you see any brood in that frame at all?
Whoa.
All that is honey.
Wow.
That's honey. So we're going to take that one. We're going to take that one. And I'm going to teach you how to take it. Right? So you're going to get over the top of the hive, and you're going to do what I showed you, the kind of a, don't hit it on the hive, hit it like that.
Oh, okay.
And knock them off. Yes. More aggressively. There you go. Now take this. You can set it down. No. Now brush them off. Brush them off. Brush the bottom. Brush that. Brush a little faster, faster, faster. Go get that in the box.
Okay.
Get an empty frame and stick it in there. And we'll close up the box. Close that box first. Close that box.